Hey everyone, in this video we will see why is there no dial tone but internet works, landline, VoIP and filter fix guide. If your internet is working but your landline has no dial tone, the problem is usually caused by a loose phone cable, a faulty phone, a bad DSL filter, incorrect VoIP setup or a service outage. Fix 1 is check the phone cable. Make sure the phone cord is plugged in securely, then disconnect and reconnect both ends of the cable. Replace the phone cord if it looks damaged. Then check if the dial tone returns. Second one is test with another telephone. Unplug your current phone, connect a different working landline phone, then listen for a dial tone. Replace the original phone if the new one works. Third one, check the DSL filter. Locate the DSL filter connected to the phone jack, then remove and reconnect it. Replace the filter with a new one if available. Then test the phone again. Fourth one is restart your modem or VoIP adapter. Unplug the modem or VoIP adapter, then wait about 60 seconds. Plug it back in and let it fully restart. Check for a dial tone. Fifth one is check the phone port. Verify the phone is plugged into the phone 1 or telephone 1 port. Then make sure it is not connected to an Ethernet or DSL port. Reconnect the cable securely, then test the line. Thanks for watching.